So everyone is talking about the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, while the Galaxy Xcover 7 remained under the radar. The Xcover 7 is Samsung's latest rugged phone. The device was released alongside the Galaxy Tab Active 5, which is a rugged tablet from Samsung. Anyway, in this video, we'll explore the top features of the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 7. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So these are the top features of the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 7. The specs are not the best, but this is a rugged phone from Samsung, so we shouldn't just judge it because of its specs. I don't know the price of this device, but it is expected to cost at least $400 to $450. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 7? Feel free to share in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.